Alrighty, this is going to be a quick little video about what I keep in my welding bag on a daily basis. I think I'm going to start from left to right and work our way over. I keep some finger clamps in here, some C-clamps. I like these Husky clamps. They got this switch here. You can kind of put them on with one hand if you're working alone. Keep a wire brush. I use a twig chipping hammer. I really like this thing. It's got a real sharp edge on it. I keep a sleeve so I can hold my welding rod, a file. I got a 12-inch ruler here I use as a straight edge, torpedo level, 25-foot tape measure. Keep a square. Got inner and outer lenses for my welding hood. Keep a 1-inch wrench in here right now. I've been doing some photo eye holes for some conveyor, and we're using a knockout kit, and it takes a 1-inch wrench. I normally keep just a crescent wrench. I don't typically keep these, but I got a nut driver, some 9/16 wrenches, and a 9/16 socket that I use with my impact. I got 2 pairs of channel locks, some electrical tape in case I need to tape up. I like to use red tape for tools, just to kind of mark what's mine. If I got a cable that's got a cut in or anything, I'll patch it up with that. I keep a container here with grinding wheels. I think I got some. I got some cutting wheels, some buffing wheels. I got a few different things in there. I keep some earplugs, some chapstick, some headphones. I got a little adapter here for my iPhone for this Milwaukee radio I have at work. Some writing utensils. I got paint marker. I got a pipe wrap. Here's my impact. I keep this 6-inch cordless Milwaukee grinder. I really like this thing. I got a welding cap. I got some stick gloves. I got some TIG gloves. I just got some regular leather work gloves. This is my welding hood. I use a Lincoln 3350 with the 4C lens. It's got a leather bib on the bottom that I attached. The bag I use is a Black Stallion backpack. The only downside of this bag is when you stick your hood in here and you go home for the day, your lens doesn't get charged because it's just being covered the whole time. So I normally try to get to the job site and get this bad boy out and set it in the sun and try and get it charged up. But yeah, no, that's typically what I keep. I don't normally keep all this stuff, but most of the welding stuff, the gloves, the cap. I do always keep a grinder, a crescent, stuff like that. All this stuff over here. But yeah, no, I'm going to start this channel up. I do a lot of welding work, maintenance work. I just bought this new Bobcat 260. I'm wanting to do a review on it and make a bunch of videos with just stuff I'm doing. I made a custom stand. You can pick it up with the forklift. I'm actually working on, I'm gonna make some custom reels to mount in my truck. I'm just barely getting started on it, but I'm gonna make a video about that. So yeah, a lot more to come. I just want to show you guys what I use on a typical day in the field. Stay tuned for more.